Unboxing of a 12-inch premium mattress, gel memory foam. This was from Sam's Club. It's a hotel premier collection, queen size. It says plush comfort, always supportive. 4 layers of comfort, soothing cool, 0.5 inch, 3 inch deep sleep, memory gel, memory foam, advanced support 3 inch, and a 5.5 inch premium base foam. So 12 inch. So the whole box is heavy. It needs 2 people to move it. And it says to unpack, open, unroll, and unwind. This is mattress and foam made in the USA with imported cover. Distributed by Sam's West Incorporated, Bentonville, Arkansas. And it's CertiPure US registered trademark of Alliance for Flexible Polyurethane Foam. Okay, are you ready to unbox it? Looks very good. This is the side of the box. It's good. This box came with 2 wheels at the core on one side, easier to roll around, but to load it into the car, it's so heavy it scratched the inside door of the car of my sister. Okay, we're gonna open it now. The tape here already ripped outside, so we're just taping on the other side. Cut it open. Key. All else fails, use the key. Open it. Cutter. Now it's 12 inch and they compressed it. It's heavy. Just to unroll it, this is so heavy. It's compressed. I'm videoing it. So we'll just open this thing so it will absorb the air. Right now there's no air inside. You can see we compress it and keep unroll it. I think it's vacuum sealed. So it's folded in half. So I don't know which side is the top. Which one is the top? So we just need to break the vacuum seal so it'll absorb air. To start, we'll just take a corner and grip it. All else fail, use your keys. You can hear the air rushing in to replace the vacuum. I guess the top one should be the white one. It's starting to get expanding already. So the foam started to fill with air. So you can see it's got the brand design right there. It's a member's mark. It came from Sam's Club. So there you have it. Memory foam bed. Oh, I can sleep on the foam for tonight at least. This is good. Yay! So you like the unboxing of memory foam bed? This came from, I think it's $3.99. Forgot how much it is. Maybe it's $4.99. I'm not sure. That was my sister who bought this bed foam. But looks good. After the air got in, it's firmer now. So you can now lie down. It's a queen size bed. So 2 people can sleep here. So this is good. This is good bed, I think. I like this bed. Though it's not my bed, but you get to sleep on the bed. Now I can borrow it for tonight because that's where I was sleeping the whole time. And I was working on my video editing, set up some snacks and my stuff. But this is now the bed. I just have to remove the plastic so it will be fully open. Okay. Remove the jacket. Get it warm. Okay, there it is. Like a hotel quality bed. And here's the box. I put all the plastic trash. in it. It's a big box with the trash inside the plastic, and the wheels at the bottom made it easier to roll it. It was so heavy. So you have the wheels, you can just pull it. It's easy to pull around, but this goes to the recycling at least. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't, fun or not, and hope to see you soon on the next unboxing, or you can watch my other videos, free camping and product reviews and all those other things that I will do. Okay, see ya, thank you, bye bye.